What I want to propose in electricity bills or something, we are going to give them again take the tax point that is a problem.
Here they collect $90 with my
How much
मर्डर हो गया तो मत बोला साइड में
Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sahi? Sahib, Udah.
It has got inverter system. Small instrument, how many can store? 25. Secretary of Home. Ajay, here. So on this is the solar panel. Is that solar panel? What is the area of that?
Almost 200 kilometers.
200.
आणि almost 76 panels लागले. 76. Each panel is of 335 watt.
So you use how many panels?
76.
76. Generating
100 units per day. 25 kilowatt.
25 kilowatts. 100 units per day.
So,
enough for household, how much it consumes on average?
House almost around 15 to 20.
आमचं रिक्वायरमेंट 12.86 आहे.
हां त्यांचं ते मशीन्स आहे सर सगळे सो दॅट विल रन ऑन दिस
Plus the lighting.
OWC लाइटिंग सगळे MRF
What is the lifespan of this?
पॅनल्स आमचं ऑलमोस्ट 10 इयर्सांची गॅरंटी आहे. पॅनल्स जे सोलार पॅनल्स वयर लागल्यात ते वयर लागल्यात ते इन्व्हर्टर 5 इयर्साचे असतात आणि एंटायर सिस्टम इज 1 इयर फुल सिस्टम सगळं वायरिंग सगळं टोटल
I mean, he is very good what he is doing. You see that all panchayats have solar system. They have separate scheme. Understood? All the panchayats. So they don't use our grid power at all. That much saving is there, no? Initial investment is there. Even central scheme
From GEDA also.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll integrate with other departments.
GEDA sir, we will help the panchayat to get. We are embedded with GEDA also.
Yeah.
So we can help with.
So you help, no? See, basically we don't do our homework. There is a lot of funds available. From the center it comes to GEDA. GEDA will give to Panchayat. Panchayat will pass the benefit on to Panchayat. Understood, no? Okay. Hon'ble 25 lakhs.
50 लाख मिळले पाहिजे.
हो, इथे-
कोणती सांगोडला सर कोणती ब्युटिफिकेशन ऑफ
So, retaining wall and that.
Yes.
We are going there now.
Yeah, we are going there.
They start केला.
ते टेंडर to be tender. I just clear
Yeah, I know. Whether you have done the work.
PSC असं
Come and
बहुत डाउट है
कैमरा भैया
Lakshmani Amare to Panchayat member, no? Even if you are outgoing, you are not yet out.
No,
One day is remaining.
Kashmir also.
Okay.
या सर
बाहेर घेऊन या बाहेर घेऊन बाहेर कमेंट बाहेर घेऊन
सर आहे सर
बाहेर घेऊया ना कमेंट
सर
एक झाड लावा.
झाडलं आहे का
झाड लावा मग एक.
ओके हां चला उठो चलो
किधर किधर पे देखो
मॅडम बरोबर चालू तेवढे
माहिती काढू ना
काढायला असं मागे काढताले ना त्याला वरून घाल
जरूर
पोट कर पती आपण आलो कोण
तो सारखं आहे सर पण
परमनंट झालं कोणी
परमनंटच मरे
परमनंट झालं
परमनंट
No, you give this bite up. For this bite you give, no? Then you give it.
sir I do सर आज सोलर पॅनल वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटच्या का लायला सो ओव्हरऑल बाकीच्या पंचायतींना किती प्लॅन्स फॉर दिस सोलर पॅनल्स
See, first of all, I want to congratulate Bogmalo Chikolna Panchayat for taking initiative to use solar energy for waste management. Whatever machinery that will run inside, whatever in the waste treatment plant, the lighting that will be necessary as well as outside will all run on solar system, which is I think the first among all the panchayats in entire Goa as far as waste management is concerned. म्हणून हांव तेंची तोखणाय करता आनी हे म्हाका दिसता एक पॅटर्न कशें हांव आख्खे गोंयान करतलो बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग वी विल सेव ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Whatever excess electricity that will be generated will be put back in the grid. So it will help our to bring down the load or requirement of electricity at very high cost. ही एक नवीन scheme करून even for waste management I will do it. Of course we have done similar thing under Shri.Mauvin Godinho in Usgaon Panchayat, where I think our BDO here is the Shri.Mauvin Mitra there. So tingai kelle asa, but not for waste management. This is the first plant of waste management where we are using solar energy, solar panel. Another good scheme what Panchayat of Bogmalo Chikolna has introduced today is a free distribution of this organic manure which is rather produced here. सगळे घरांनी ल्हान पॅकेट करून ते वाडटले म्हणजे तेंची झाडां ही बरी हेल्दी जातली. थोडी झाडां रोयल्ली आहा फ्रूट बेरिंग ट्रीज आर देर, दे विल गेट बेटर yield. And this is the way they want to keep the village clean and green. Of course, I am going to inaugurate on the beach, which we had promised ek bar toilet bandtalo. So toilet I am आता inaugurate करपा येता. So even Ant Vedar, when the term is just ending, they are doing very good work. I mean, they have done all the 5 years. So I think this is the way my panchayats are functioning, and particularly Bogmalo Chikolna.
So solid waste management,
Bogmalo,
सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे तुम्ही जेन्ना बांदता पळय जायते जाग्याचेर सर लोक ओपोज करता फॉर दीस प्लांट्स जावं सेग्रिगेशन दीस प्लांट
तो निंबा फॅक्टर सदां आसा, नॉट इन माय बॅकग्रावंड. गार्बेज सगळें क्लीन केल्ली जाय, पूण आपले घरा समोर नाका, सायडीन नाका, मातशें दिसती पडटा तसो नाका. दीस इज नॉट अ करेक्ट थिंग. पंचायत्स वील एज मच एज पॉसिबल, ऑल द पंचायत्स इन गोवा ट्राय टू सिलेक्ट न्यूट्रल सायट्स. जे कोणा लिस्ट प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते कमीचे कमी प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते सिलेक्ट करता, पूण सगळे कडेन तितलेच बरे सायट मेळपा ना न्हू. सो तेणी चिंतपा जाय लोकांनी, पूण वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट जावपाकूच जाय. इनफॅक्ट जस्ट द अदर डे आय टोल्ड माय ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर वी हॅव टू सिट अगेन अँड रियली ड्रॉ आउट अ प्लॅन दॅट वी फिनिश द गार्बेज मेनन्स इन एंटायर गोवा. Panchayats have to sit with other departments as well, so that once for all in the next 6 months I said it should be in mission mode की आमी गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम सोपोवपाचो, तशें आमी करपा जाय. I will also be introducing new initiatives which you will know. Let the new bodies come. With the new bodies, by the time new panchayats are elected before 6 months, that time I can safely say we will also have new schemes and new initiatives being given to the panchayats at the behest of the government.
Thank you.